Hi everyone. I just wanted to talk to you about when we're writing for dictation, which means that you hear something and you try to write it down. So there's two strategies that we used in the classroom, and I just want to make sure that you remember. If you hear a word that you don't know, the two things that you should do is stretch it and chop it. So if the word is cat and we stretch it, we imagine we have a rubber band and go cat, at, like that. Try it again. Cat, at. Then we chop it. We hear each sound. So if I say cat, I go k, ah, t. I heard three sounds in there. Let me do it again. K, ah, t. So after I stretch it a couple times and I chop it, then I pick up my pencil and I write it. So let me think. Cat. K. That's either a C or a K. Let me write it down. Ah. That's an A. Let me write that down. T. That's a T. Let me write that after the A. So when you hear a word that you don't know, or that you even, if it's a sight word and you just know it, you can write it down. But if it's a word that you don't know, remember to please stretch it, chop it, and then write it. Okay?